First of all, congratulations to Safaricom and everyone involved with regards to the certification as a top employer in Kenya and Africa. It's really a great fit, something I'm very proud to be associated with. And it's something that I've witnessed in my personal capacity working for the organization. Everything all the way from what they're offering from an employee point of view, how everyone is dedicated to ensuring that we serve our customers to the best of our ability, the working formulas that we have internally from a collaboration point of view, and basically embracing the spirit of Safaricom is something that I'm really proud of, and you can clearly see it as a testament of why Safaricom has been selected as a top employer in Kenya and also in Africa.
Safaricom being chosen as a top employer is a significant achievement that shows commitment to the employee and to the society.
It's such an amazing thing. It just shows the dedication of the team. It just shows, we are not backing down. We just want the best for our community.
Congratulations to Safaricom being top employer, not just in Kenya, but in Africa. I must say that I'm humbled to be part of the team that is creating the future of technology.
It's a privilege to work at a place where talent is nurtured, ideas are valued, and the impact is real. Here at Safaricom, we do not just check a box, we drive meaningful change.
Having said all this about Safaricom, where else would one wish to be at than to be at Safaricom, where we're the top employer of choice, not only in Kenya, but also in Africa.
At Safaricom, we are not just about product and services, we are about possibilities. We are not just about connecting people. We do connect dreams to possibilities, individuals to opportunities, and challenges to solutions. So every interaction, every connection, every commitment and call we make is a step toward transforming lives, empowering communities, and shaping a better future for Kenya and Africa.
I think it's an amazing recognition for Safaricom, not just to be the top employer in Kenya, but in Africa as a continent. I think it shows the dedication, and it's another opportunity for us as the team to continue creating products that are relevant to the common mwananchi in our communities. And I'm so happy to be part of the team that is, doing these amazing things. I am Safaricom.
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 I am Safaricom.